So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. Now you're gonna find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects any problems on your network, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna head it with search and type in view network connections. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna find your network adapter, you're gonna double click on it. And then click on properties. And then click on internet protocol version 4. Make sure that you have obtained the IP address automatically selected. Now you're gonna select use the following DNS server address. You want to make the first line 8888 and you're going to make the second line 8844 and then click on OK. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head it with search and type in CMD. Now you have to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS. Click on enter. Now you're going to type in netsh space winsock space reset. Click on enter again. Now, you just want to restore your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.